Hello everyone and welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today we're going to be doing a project that I have been wanting to do ever since the little miniature Mini Barbie Land Barbies came out. So today we're going to make little boxes for our miniature dolls. I don't know if you've all heard, but there is some new ones out that come in little nail polish bottles. And again, you can check inside the box for the little codes so that you don't get doubles. All right, let's open this one up. Just unscrew the top and pull out the little Barbie. Oh, I got the little blonde. Awesome. I was hoping for a regular Barbie because my mom ran off with all of mine for another project. All of these new little dolls are supposed to have a color changing aspect. So I believe this is what it should look like when it's hot, and then it'll change colors when it's cold. I got an ice cube here, so let's see if we can get it to change here. Oh yeah, it darkened up, I think. You guys see that? For any of you who are curious, this was the code for that doll. All right, since I need a couple dolls for this video, let's open one more. Oh, I got the one from the packaging. Look at that. It's a granny square dress. All right, let's see if we can get her hair to change colors. She was supposed to kind of go from blue to green, I think. Yeah, she's supposed to be light blue to green. Maybe she was already cold by the time I got her. Let's see. Warm her up a little bit. We'll do the opposite. We'll warm her up. Oh yeah, look at that. It's blue now. Cool. And this was her code. Just be aware that depending on what region you're in, I've heard the codes can be totally different. My mom also picked up some of those little Barbie pop reveal ones. So let's check these ones out. Now, I mean, these ones already have cute packaging. They come with a little bottle of pop and the little straw that you're supposed to push down the goo with, like so. But you can just pull that up and see which doll's inside. That one's a cute one. They also have packs with the little vehicles in. And I thought we could take some of the packaging from this to make a little sign for our store. Plus, the camper comes with a cute doll. I love the little blue outfit on this one. Here's the little camper it comes with. And it's got the little kitchenette inside and the spot to drive that the doll does fit into. They gave her plenty of leg space in there. And it has a little pool that's also like a mini sunroof. I think I'm still partial to my mini RV that Hot Wheel did. I like that one better. Although I'm pretty much 100% sure this doll is not fitting in there. If any of you are on the hunt for Barbie Hot Wheels, this is the newest one we found. Now I'm just going to cut off the top of the packaging so I can use it as a sign in my little store. So I just add a little tacky on the back of my sign, and then I can stick it up above my store display. Now, if you haven't seen my video on how I made my store, you'll have to check that out next. And I'll add the link in the description box below. The only dolls that don't fit inside the boxes I made are the little cutie reveals. They're a little tall for it. And, well, it's more their little heads don't fit inside. But they come with cute packaging anyway, so I really don't think they need it. All right, we've got plenty of dolls to work with now. Let's make some boxes. To get the printable for this project, you can visit my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. The link will be in the description box below. And to make my boxes, I printed mine on a double-sided brochure paper that's glossy, so that I could get this nice, vibrant print. To make a box, you'll need to cut out one box image and one background image. After it's cut out, I fold on all the lines. Once it's folded, I cut out the tabs. I always cut my tabs at an angle so they sit nice. Once your box is folded and the tabs have been cut, you're going to cut out the window. For a precise cut, I like to use my clear ruler and my knife. Once the square part of the cutout has been cut, I cut off some of the extra paper, and then I just go in with my fine point scissors to cut out the rest of the image. I had to leave on the cute little Barbie Land clouds. Once that's done, I flip it over and grab my image for the inside. And I just glue that in place using my glue stick. Oh, make sure you get it right side up. That's always important. There we go. Then I cut a piece of clear plastic that I'm going to glue over the opening. And when I glue on the plastic, I like to use a slightly stronger glue, so I do not use my glue stick for this part. Once you have the glue in place, just set your little piece on top of the glue and let that dry. Remember not to use too much glue so that it doesn't squeeze out the sides and wreck the look of your packaging. Once you've picked out your doll, all I do is put a piece of tacky across the back of the doll and place it in the center of the background image, sticking it down in place. I always take the time to shut the box and make sure everything looks right before I start gluing everything together. Add glue to the side tab and glue the side first. Then you'll fold in the bottom tabs and the back tab of the bottom. Add glue to that tab and fold down the front tab of the bottom. Fold down the top tabs and the back tab. Add your glue. Make sure there's no extra and fold down that last tab, creating a beautiful little miniature Barbie box. And now you can create little miniature boxes for all your miniature Barbie Land dolls. Is there anything else you'd like to see us make for the miniature Barbies? Let us know in the comments down below. I sure hope you enjoyed this episode of Poppy Seed Mini. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. and have fun crafting and collecting.